The compact yet powerful AI hardware Palit Pandora is now available. Powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX Super and pre-installed with Super Ready Jetpack 6.2, Pandora delivers up to twice the AI performance compared to the standard version, making it more efficient for edge AI computing. Now, let's unbox it and see just how easy it is to set up. Inside the box, you'll find a power adapter along with 5 interchangeable power plugs, a user manual, and finally, the Pandora device itself. And now, let's power on Pandora. Setting up this AI hardware is simple. Just connect the keyboard, mouse, and monitor, then plug in the power and press the button. When the green light flashes, it means the system is booting up. Once the light stays solid, the system is ready. At this stage, the system will prompt you to enter your login information. Simply enter the default username and password Pandora, all lowercase. After logging in, you'll see the NVIDIA boot screen, followed by a few setup options. If no changes are needed, click Next to proceed. Otherwise, adjust the settings as needed. Since Pandora comes pre-installed with Jetpack, there is no need to download additional softwares. You're ready to start using it right away. Pandora is a ready-to-use AI hardware solution, designed for both beginners and experienced developers. Whether you're working on smart retail, robotics, or generative AI projects, this device is your go-to AI platform. If you have any questions, feel free to join our forum for support. Stay tuned to Palit's social media for the latest updates. See you next time.